Welcome! In front of me I have Hisense LED TV, and today I'll show you how you can lock your channels. So at the first you have to simply tap menu on your remote control and then tap on the right arrow on your remote control 4 times to go for the lock. Then simply tap on the bottom arrow, and here we got the system lock, so we have to click OK on it. We have to input our password. In my case it's very common 1111, but it's also very possible that you have 4 times 0, so you have to type 0000 and it will be unlocked. Next you have to scroll down with arrows on your remote control to the channel lock, then click OK on your remote control. And as you can see, currently I don't have any of the channels, but if you got it, you will be able to choose them, and by tapping on the OK you are able to lock your channel and protect, for example, from childs. And that's it. If you pick it up, you can just pick menu to go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.